So police is done pulled up. Got 1, 2, a third one somewhere down there.
For YouTube? For YouTube? Alright. You the best slider?
Best slider.
Okay, how much you got on that?
I told you.
How much you gonna put? How much? You ain't put nothing behind your words?
I ain't gonna put nothing on it. Just watch. Just gotta watch.
Okay. Somebody disagree.
When the smoke
somebody yelling cat.
I'm gonna be here. And the cop is for me.
Y'all listen, I'm about to head out to a meet, but it's actually the meet before the meet, so y'all know I'm about to bring y'all some car meet content. But before y'all get this content, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed. And if you watching this video and you're not subscribed, then please don't be a ghost watcher. It costs nothing to hit that subscribe button. Support is free. Also, like I always say, if you a content creator, hit me up down below in the comment section and I will subscribe to your channel. But go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji, and when the video is over with, come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime and go to slimepack.store and get you some slime pack merch. As y'all can see, this was a video. I don't know if y'all gonna get this video before the video that I was recording before the video that I'm recording now, if that makes sense. I was attempting to install some new headlight bulbs, but I thought my car had cooled off. I guess it ain't. I'm trying to stick my hands in between here and unplug the headlights, but the car is very hot. And like I said, I'm rushing for time. It's going to take me about 40 minutes to get to the meet, to meet up with half of the car club, and then we're going to ride out to about another 30 to 45 minutes to meet with the rest of the car club. That's where all the actual event is happening at. So like I said, you know, it will be some car content. I'm gonna do my best to bring y'all the best car content that I can. I got some car mods that are on the way. As you can see that back there, that's one. But wait a minute, I think I can install something real quick. I got to give somebody a shout out. Okay y'all, somebody hit me up on Instagram and they said they wanted to make this piece for me. It goes in the middle of your steering wheel. I don't know exactly what to call it, but he asked me what design I want. He could do any kind of design. I asked him, I said, can you do me something with a paint splatter? And he came through, y'all. As y'all can see, it's right there. Look, y'all, the color is amazing. The material is good. I done got it a little bit greasy because of my hands, but I'm about to put it on. And also, I didn't even know he was doing this. He gave me these. He also threw in some 392 little badge things. Also, I got some yellow ones in here. See, can I get them out? Right here. Those are the yellow ones. They look so good. Everything is in detail. Here's how it look with it on. Listen, let me give y'all a little advice. If y'all gonna put this on, make sure you kind of do it at home. I'm at a gas station. I put it on, you know, I try to give it, well, you gotta give it a little pressure to make sure it's stuck on right, because it already comes with the sticky stuff applied on it. All you gotta do is put it in place and just hold it so it will stick. But you know, when you hold it, you know, the horn is gonna blow depending on how much pressure you put on it. Listen y'all, I love it. Now it's time for me to add my steering wheel cover, my trimming, my paddle shifters. I didn't know which color I was gonna go with, but now that I see this on here, I know exactly which color I'm going with. Everything is in great detail. It don't feel cheap. But if y'all would like one of these, listen, he got a deal going on. I'm gonna put his Instagram right there on the screen. Make sure y'all follow him, let him know that Slime Pack sent y'all. And order some stuff and support him. So I'm here with everybody.
Precise.
I already done had it. This thing came off.
No, not the flat board. The actual
The one you
splitter
put,
that.
so what you just had on there?
That comes up here. Not the board.
Comes up where? What's up, man?
What's up? And my beard not done.
Ah, you talking about the beard.
I know, every time. I wrap my hood, man. See, at least I'm not looking too good. See, Gibbs, I wrap my hood. I like that.
What's
shit,
up?
Man. That shit is fire, man. You know, it changed.
So YouTube, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. SRT the same.
Oh, now you got something to say. Now you want to say something.
Channel about to start up and running. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. SRT the same. YouTube, same name. I drop some bangers. Stay tuned.
What you gonna be doing on YouTube?
Car videos, little mix of everything. Car videos, pranks and stuff.
So maybe we can do a collab.
Yeah.
Maybe. So some of us are out here already. This right here is the dude who did my car. This is his. Frank, make sure y'all go hit his Instagram up. If y'all need anything done in y'all cars, that's his Instagram right there. No limit _ wraps. Car wraps. He done mentioned his stuff in the car. You know that right there? That's slime packs. But yeah, we waiting on some more to pull up. If they ain't here, by the time we leave, then they get in the lift. Shout it out,
We out here, man. Hey, shake the block shit, man. You know we out here, man. Gonna get real active in Raleigh, man. The best chapter in North Carolina, Fayetteville, you know what I'm saying?
Here go the sneak peek. He said that full rap coming.
Yeah. You see,
That's the
hey,
sneak
look,
peek.
That's the sneak peek.
He giving y'all hints already.
Giving y'all little hints on what's about to happen. Real sneak peek. You see that?
But if you get something else first, is it gonna be the same thing?
If I get something else, it is. It still will be on the only scat. Ooh, I just told y'all what I'm gonna get to.
Oh, so my channel got a little sneak peek.
Damn, y'all got a sneak peek. Woo! So, but yeah, this is sneak peek. Then y'all fucked up, so y'all heard what I said. I'm gonna get. But you know what I'm saying? Just keep watching. Y'all get sneak peeks every
Tell me, you
time.
got to start a channel too now.
Yeah, I can. I'm gonna let Slime name my channel, so we gonna see what's up. You know what I'm saying? We out here though. Slime. Yeah, we out here though.
Trying to show off.
Yeah. That's my little homie. Asked him about the race the other day.
He lost? He lost?
Twice. the fastest RT in Fayetteville right now.
Y'all, somebody just got a wild body that's always talking junk about mine.
Come on now,
Yeah.
What is this? What is
I'm
this?
gonna get one. Yeah, this ain't no original goddamn wild body. This is a special one.
It is?
Yeah, special. I can't
What
tell you
year?
what's on the hood. It's 2020.
2020?
Yeah. I'm fist bowling right now.
Uh-huh. Check the fit.
Damn. You know they jammed it like that. That's my lot.
Hey, you want to shout out your YouTube? I watch all your videos. Crazy.
Hey Slime, how you doing?
What's up, man?
I can't call it. How you doing, baby?
Come on now.
I'm pretty dry today. I ain't.
You still got the fit on though. You never come dry with the fits though.
Nah, I don't.
Never.
I don't.
No matter if it's a chill meat or
Man,
you know
follow
a
your
lit
boy
meat.
Drizzy 2-time, man. I'm trying to get to 3K, then trying to get to 1 million. Come on, man.
You gotta aim for them big goals. I hear that man $1 million. I'm trying to get there.
Shit, I'm trying to get to 1 million. I'm trying to take that damn Daytona and turn it into a damn Daytona
I'm
hellcat.
trying to cash out $1 million.
Shit, hey man, I thought about making an OnlyFans.
Go ahead.
Fuck it, I will. Tell
Go
me
ahead.
when y'all subscribe.
Green Bay.
I'm just playing.
Go ahead, shout it out. Yes, you do this every
she
time.
tries, yeah.
Every time.
Follow me at Green Bay _Hemi.
I left this spot open for whoever came late.
Me.
We waiting. You know, this right here is the second spot. Real chill meet. Show y'all some more of the cars. You know, that's slime pack. Hopefully this comes out pretty straight. I'm shooting this in 4K. I've recorded in 4K, but I never uploaded it with 4K. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Want to shout out something I'm recording now?
I know you is.
That's my loud little brother right there.
Oh, that was him in the comment section. Told me he was at a meet. He told he was at a meet that hadn't even happened yet.
And he was at the house.
And then he called you out.
It was soon to
I
come.
always have to call him out.
It's soon to come though. I ain't worried
You
about
want to shout it out?
Shout it out.
Y'all got something y'all want to shout out?
No. I just hope I be in a video.
Just don't be lying in the comment section no more.
They gonna be talking about me, y'all know.
That right there is Drizzy's car. We still waiting on more people to pull up. What you got to say, man? You keep walking in front of the camera. What you got to say?
I don't got nothing to say.
You got nothing to say? So what's up, man? You want to shout out something?
Nah, well, I mean, shout out T-Cherry Done 357.
Oh yeah, my IG redkey_T 2 E's.
Red Key.
Red Key.
You got hit with a wide body hellcat.
Big money, big money.
What all you got done to it?
The only thing I done was the tent. I smoked out all the lights and I got the drag radios on the back. I had it for about 2 weeks.
How them tires feel?
They grip.
I want to go
I done burnt them
315s.
out. Yeah, them 315s on the back. Nittos.
How long you had it?
Friday made 2 weeks, right? Yeah, 2 weeks. Right,
So you watch my channel, right?
Oh yeah, I subscribe. Yeah. Got the bell on and everything.
Okay. You got the slime pack merch?
I'm gonna get some.
Come on, man. You gotta
Stop
go
playing
to
with slime.
slimepack.store.
I gotta get it. Stop playing with slime, right?
Yeah. Hey, you gotta get one too.
Yeah, I had to get some.
You gotta get some too, man.
I got you.
So, police is done pulled up. Got 1, 2, a third one somewhere down there. So now everybody is leaving. I don't know where we're going. If we don't find another spot by a good time, then I'ma head home. It is 10. If y'all can see that. As you can see, it is 10:57. I got like a 2-hour drive back home, so if I don't get to bring y'all this content that I want, I'm gonna be disappointed, but I tried. The crazy thing is they came in quiet. They didn't have no lights on, no sirens or nothing. I bet they probably followed some people. It's like everybody was still parking and they was pulling up. And I was like, yo, they're the police. So of course they're gonna probably still follow us to see where we're going. So, spot number 2. Security comes out. don't know if it's security or police, so that's dead. Alright, so some of us just all pulled up to the gas station because the crowd is so big, so no matter what spot we go to, the police is gonna follow. They about to hit the intersection.
Yeah, that's the only person.
Right. Hey, I got something to say real quick. Listen. Stop waiting on somebody to motivate you, and you get up and motivate yourself. You should be your biggest motivator, your biggest inspiration. You should be the only person that you're in competition with. Every day that you wake up, you should want to be a better person than you was yesterday. Not wanting to be better than the next man or the next woman. Talk your talk. I'm going to put this in the intro. Go ahead.
In Fayetteville, ain't nobody gonna stop me. Ain't nobody that goddamn fucking with me. Anybody want to do tandem tonight, we can do it. You spin out, I'm going to spin around you.
Hey, look, who next? Hey, keep going. That disrespect! That disrespect!